A ro-ro passenger ferry, generally trading between Dover and Calais, arrives at Zeebrugge, Belgium. She has two main vehicle decks and allows simultaneous vehicle access to both the decks when connected to the deck ramps at Dover and Calais. Her service speed is 22 knots and can carry a maximum of 1,400 people. Richard, the assistant boatswain, opens the bow door. As there is only a single level access ramp to Zeebrugge, water ballast is pumped into the bow tanks to facilitate loading. After being relieved by the boatswain, Richard goes to his cabin and falls asleep. The vessel completes cargo work and departure stations are called. The boatswain, on hearing the call, leaves for the departure stations. The status of the bow door is not checked by the boatswain. Richard does not wake up for the departure stations. The chief officer, Mr. Sam, on hearing the call for the departure stations, departs from the car deck for the bridge. He doesn't feel it necessary to check the bow door. The vessel increases speed and the bow wave begins to build. Water breaks over the main car deck through the open door and enters the deck. The water flows from end to end and side to side with ease, as the vehicle deck did not have any subdividing bulkheads. The vessel becomes unstable and lists to 30° to port almost instantaneously. Seconds later, she capsizes and settles on the sea with the starboard half of her hull above water. Consequence: about 150 passengers and 38 crew members lose their lives. Lessons learned.
The design of the Herald was found to be a contributing cause of the sinking. Unlike other ships, which are subdivided into watertight compartments, the vehicle decks of RORO vessels are normally contiguous. This means that any flooding on these decks would allow the water to flow the length of the ship,